Well, I'm on the home straight here. I haven't bothered videoing all of this because it's very sunny here right now. So I have rebuilt the Hyundai. There's a new con rod in there. I've reused the piston. I've just been fitting a new gasket. Now, that brown envelope, that's where the actual Hyundai gasket came in. But it was $5.99 delivered from the UK for the gasket that goes there. But this is a GX200 Honda gasket set, which includes the gasket there that I've just replaced, but it's a different shape. So this, I think it's built by Lawson, this engine, the Hyundai one. So I can't find a gasket set for that on AliExpress, but this gasket set, which includes the main gasket, that's £1.99 from China. Includes everything. From the UK, just this one gasket, the bigger one, is $5.99. So if you can get a gasket set from China, well, that's where I'd be spending my money. But that's me. So anyway, I've now got to put everything back together. I'm just reconnecting up the carb, all the cables. I need to reconnect the electrics, and then I need to fill it up with oil. And hopefully it'll all be good to go. Well, that's everything rebuilt and reassembled. I think it's all okay. So, I'll just need to take it down off this Black & Decker workmate and see if it starts. So, it probably took about a good hour and a bit, maybe 2 hours to take this all to bits and then replace, as I say, this gasket here. I've also replaced the valve cover gasket from the Chinese set, and then I've put a couple of new gaskets for the carburetor. But yeah, in case I get it down off its perch and see if it starts. Right, so I don't know how I'm going to do this. Let me go there and grab. Oh no, I've got the electric start. Hopefully the electric start works. So I think this is to start it. There we go then. Success. Yeah, I'll give it a quick whiz. Right, well here we go again. So it's not the best thing to do this with one hand, but so now I'm going to put the lever on. A wee bit on the slow side for the drive, but I'm not complaining too much. Turn around. It's hunting a wee bit there. Just try pushing it. It pushes quite well. So, I shall put this in the shade for now. But no, it's cutting fine. So, breakdown of the costs. So I think it was 12 quid for the new con rod. and then I paid £5 for the Welsh sourced gasket, and then I paid £2 for the other gaskets that came from China via AliExpress. So that's 12 plus 6, 18, so 20 quid, and we'll just say a day's worth of labour, and I've got myself a Hyundai, I think it's SPE 510 lawnmower up and running, so can't complain. It's a nice day here, lots of mayflies there. If you've any questions, let me know. And if you need any mayflies, well, you know where to come. And feel free to like and subscribe. Well, welcome to Climate Change Scotland. Yeah. That overly hot red weather map is working out well right now.